Okay.
All right, now you can let him go.
All right.
Swipes. Now I know how to test my new Xerox machines. See if Jaden can operate them.
Oh boy, look at that.
Jaden can do anything.
He knows somewhere along the edge he could change it. He knew that.
Yay!
Good job, Jaden.
Unbelievable. Kid is unbelievable.
Can you send that to me?
I gotta wait for him to get a new app. He's finding a new app. Let's see, which one does he like?
He's trying to go back to this thing. Oh, you want to play piano?
Piano.
Oh, you could die from this.
Now, done with the piano. Let's see what's next.
Find another one.
Oh, that's the
That piano again.
Back to the piano.
He's going to be a musician.
He's gonna be everything.
His great-grandfather, right?
Yes.
With his iPad, there's no stopping him. What's next? Oh, we like this app better.
He likes that one.
A, B, C, D. Ooh, a
Dog.
dog. Yeah.
What does a dog say?
E. Elephant.
D.
Dog.
Oh,
He said it earlier.